Hey everyone, it is time for our Winter Woodland Holiday Edition, Sneak Peek, Early Bird, everything you need for your table, must have. And we have everything from bakers and bowls and serving platters and mugs, oh my. And if you haven't seen our beautiful Winter Woodland, come on in and take a peek. Each piece has a cardinal. So not only do you have that engraved detail, that beautiful glass glaze that runs around that really truly brings that to life, you then also have that beautiful hand-applied cardinal accent. And I even include the little story about cardinals, right? For me, cardinals, my dad visits me with cardinals, and I think for a lot of people, they always say, when cardinals appear, angels are near. And so that is really true to me. So if there's something that you want to gift, this is going to be perfect. Let's start with the set of 3 bowls. So I love the fact that you get a 1 quart, a 2 quart, and a 3 quart. They're all stoneware, which means it all goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. We have a beautiful 3 quart mac and cheese that's staying nice and warm because it's already been cooked in our beautiful stoneware. And now we're serving it in our beautiful stoneware. We have our great stuffing. We have our side dish. And don't forget, it comes with snap-on storage covers. So you literally can prep, cook, serve, and store all in one dish. And we did some of our veg, right? So this could be anything that you love to make for your holidays. So this bowl set is under $40 and shipping and handling included. So I love that. I think everybody needs a bowl. So now that you have your side dishes taken care of, what are you going to put your beautiful meats or your turkey or your ham on? Well, we have a beautiful 16-inch platter. This is under $30 with shipping and handling included. That too has that carved detail right into the side, then the glass glaze applied to it, and that beautiful cardinal. Remember, each one comes with that beautiful sentiment card that explains it, but look at what the table looks like when I have that beautiful sliced turkey with my craisins and some of my beautiful fixings, and everything's ready to go. This will hold up to a 21-pound turkey, so again, you could certainly have that out on your Thanksgiving table as well. Then let's not forget our baking pieces, prepping, cooking, serving, storing, all in one dish. Our 3 quart oval, always our most popular baker. Helper handles here on the side. I love to say this is like the ultimate side dish, or it's perfect if you have a smaller group coming. So again, I love the fact metal utensil safe. So maybe you were making dessert in here. You can mix it with your hand mixer, put it in the oven, bake it, then bring it to the table, slice and serve from it, making life so much easier. This is under $35 with shipping and handling included. We also did, and I love these, our little mini bakers. These have covers. You're going to get a set of 2, and I love these for maybe individual desserts. We baked a little, look at that, and iced it with a little tree cake. So I love that. This could be little bread puddings. These could be individual breads. These could be individual lava cakes, individual desserts. You can pick up as many sets as you want. Both of these bakers are under $25 with shipping and handling included. So again, whether it's a platter, whether it's a baker, whether it's your bowls, whether it's your mini bakers, all of this is why we made it a must-have. We also have a set of 2 mugs available, so you can check those out. Where can you find all of these pieces? They're over at temp-tations.com. As we said, this is our early bird, get it with the cardinal, peek at what we have in our Winter Woodland collection. You can find it at temp-tations.com, and you'll also see that there are other patterns available in some of these pieces as well. So head over there and check it out, and happy shopping.